Actress Moni Roy is one of the most loved actresses of entertainment industry. The actress never fails to amaze her fans with her brilliant fashion choices. The Nagin fame actress is currently vacationing in Maldives with her friends. Moni has been sharing back-to-back pictures from her beach vacay. In her latest picture, Moni is seen wearing deep blue cord set. Moni captioned her picture, "My favorite place and person today, magic maniac, etc. etc." The actress opted for soft makeup look. She left her luscious hair open and accessorized her look with chunky neck piece. In another picture, Moni is seen flaunting her hourglass figure in one shoulder bikini top with a multicolored sarong. Moni styled her hair in two pigtails. The actress' these different looks prove that she can nail any sartorial choice. Moni is a great dancer too. Take a look at her dance videos. Moni is quite active on social media. She currently enjoys a fan following of 18.3 million on Instagram. Speaking about her upcoming work, Moni will be seen in Ayan Mukherjee's fantasy action adventure Brahmastra alongside Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Nagarjun with Shah Rukh Khan in a cameo. Known for his glamorous ensembles, filmmaker Karan Johar says he would have made headlines courtesy his love for fashion if he was a contestant on the controversial reality show Bigg Boss OTT. The filmmaker revealed that he would have always upped his own game in fashion if he was on the show, which airs 24/7. "If I were one of the contestants, I would always be overdressed even while sleeping and remain in the headlines," Karan said. This is the first time Karan is hosting a season of Bigg Boss, which streams on Voot. Karan is anchoring the drama for the 6 weeks run of Bigg Boss OTT. After the completion of the digital exclusive, the show will move seamlessly onto Colors with the launch of season 15 of Bigg Boss. Bigg Boss OTT contestants are Urfi Javed, Zishan Khan, Ridhima Pandit, Divya Agarwal, Neha Bhasin, Akshara Singh, Karan Nath, Shamita Shetty, Rakesh Papat, Nishant Bhatt, Prateek Sehajpal, Milind Gaba and Moose Jatana. Karan recently announced his new directorial, Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani. The film has a star-studded cast comprising Ranveer Singh and Alia Bhatt, along with veterans Dharmendra, Jaya Bachchan and Shabana Azmi. He also has Takht, a period drama. The film stars Ranveer Singh, Vicky Kaushal, Alia Bhatt, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Anil Kapoor, Bhumi Pednekar and Janhvi Kapoor. In other news, Karan's production banner Dharma Productions recently announced the controversial exit of actor Kartik Aaryan from the upcoming film Dostana 2. It's a wrap for Deepika Padukone, Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi's untitled film with Shakun Batra. On Friday, the actors gave a glimpse of the moments they spent with each other on the sets of the film. Sharing the pictures, Deepika wrote, "Love, friendship and memories for a lifetime." Ananya too shared a couple of photos from the sets of the film and penned a long note on Instagram. The actress wrote, "Blurry moments, but my feelings for you all are crystal clear. The best experience ever with the crew that felt more like a family. A film made with so much happiness, so many jokes and just pure love. a set where I felt most comfortable in my own skin and felt truly accepted and liberated to explore. I really feel like I have come out of this movie a changed person and actor because of what I have learned from each and every person on set. Human emotions and their complexities, empathy, filmmaking, and the craft. Grateful beyond measure for all the lessons and the opportunity to be in a film like this with my people. Every moment that was felt together. An unforgettable journey with the best co-passengers ever. Siddhant too shared the memories from the film shooting on his Instagram handle. Apart from Shakun Batra's film, Deepika has several high-profile films lined up over the next months. She will be seen opposite husband Ranveer Singh in 83, which accounts the saga of India's first Cricket World Cup win in 1983. While Ranveer plays the team's captain Kapil Dev, Deepika essays Kapil's wife Romi. She also stars in Project K with Amitabh Bachchan and Prabhas. Deepika will also team up with Big B in The Intern, while Fighter cast her opposite Hrithik Roshan. According to reports, she will also be seen in the Shah Rukh Khan starrer Pathaan. Siddhant recently announced his next film Yudhra. The actor shared a high-octane action teaser along with the poster of the film on Instagram, backed by Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani's Excel Entertainment. Yudhra is directed by Ravi Udyawar, known for helming late superstar Sridevi's last release, Mom. The Gully Boy fame actor will also be sharing screen space with Katrina Kaif and Ishan Khattar in Phone Bhoot. Ajay Devgan starrer Bhuj, The Pride of India has finally released on Disney Plus Hotstar. Actress Kajol recently attended her husband's movie special screening with her family. After watching the film, Kajol took to Instagram to praise the film and shared the experience of watching it in a theatre. In her post, Kajol saluted Indian Army and wrote that she feels proud of her husband. My theatre experience after so long. What an awesome high. Reminds us of all the things we take for granted without ever worrying about who is giving us the safety and security of just being normal. A hats off salute to all those real life action heroes who keep us safe every day of their very unsafe lives. The film, directed by Abhishek Dudhaiya and has an ensemble cast comprising Sanjay Dutt, Sonakshi Sinha, Emmy Virk, Nora Fatehi and Sharat Kelkar in pivotal roles. In the film, Ajay is playing Indian Air Force pilot Vijay Karnik, while Sonakshi essays the character of Sundarben Jetha Madhaparya, who is a social worker and a farmer woman who convinced 300 women from Madhapur to help build a runway during the India-Pakistan War of 1971. Nora plays a spy in the upcoming film. Ajay will next be seen in sports drama Maidan. The film is inspired by the true story of Indian football coach Syed Abdul Rahim, who coached and managed the national team from 1950 till his death in 1963. He is considered by many as the man who changed the face of modern Indian football. The film is directed by Amit Ravindranath Sharma. Apart from Maidan, Ajay also has Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR. The actor will also be making his digital debut with a web series titled Rudra: The Edge of Darkness. Ajay will essay a gritty cop of Tar that reimagines the iconic British series Luther for Indian audience. Talking about playing a cop, the Singham actor added, "Playing a cop on screen is not new to me, but this time the character is more intense, complex and dark. What drew me to his persona is that he is possibly the greyest character you may come across in recent times." Produced by Applause Entertainment in association with BBC Studios India, the Hotstar special series will soon be going into production and will be shot across iconic locales of Mumbai. The series will drop on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP and Disney Plus Hotstar Premium later this year.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.